Hello again, sorry about that. When I went like that to look for my bone folder, everything went flying, because what I was going to do, I was just going to put it at the bottom there, just so I've decorated the inside. What I will do is when I find it, I shall come and put it there for you. Now then, is this the one I was going to use? Yes, it is. I cut this one now. This is another pattern that I cut out with my Scan and Cut. If you have a Scan and Cut, there is a lovely lady, Apple Lover 53. She's on YouTube, and she will take you through from beginner all the way up to the most recent Scan and Cut machine. So what I will do, I'll put details in the description box below, so that you can go follow her up, because with her help, this is how I've managed to come this far, because I wouldn't have cut that out before, and I definitely wouldn't have risked cutting anything like this, even though it is just a stamped image. Missed a bit there. Right. Right, now then, come on, Wendy. Right. So, go on there. Wiggle room, see, ooh. Be careful that you don't lose your wiggle though. Sometimes it dries on you when you lose your wiggle, and then that's it, it's gone forever. I'm not going to put these on dimensionals, I'm going to just stick them, and I'm going to put it to one side. Which side shall I put it on to? I'll put it onto this side, I think. But there's your lovely lily pad goes on first. And here you can see that the blend pens do actually bleed through, and if they do that, then that's a sign of a good pen. So if you are using these, then put a sheet of paper or something underneath it, because you don't want to damage what's underneath, what's under that as well, if you know what I mean. Right, I shall now just put this little lily on here. And there we go. What I'll do now, when I decide who I'm going to send it to, I'll put the sentiments up here, and there we are. There's my lovely purple lily pads. Thank you for watching. Bye.